Backing up your iQueue jobs periodically can save time and frustration if you ever experience hardware or software problems with your computer. As with any system, you should get in the habit of backing up iQuue on a regular schedule. The backup function in iQuue is simple to use. Start by clicking on the Backup and Restore button in the toolbar. You can accept the default location for the backup to be stored or browse for another. Select Backup to begin the process. iQuue will create a compressed file containing all of your jobs. For added security in the event of a hardware failure, you can copy the backup zip file to another drive and keep it separate from the host computer. Once the backup process completes, click OK and then Close to return to iQuue. Restoring your iQuue jobs from a backup is just as easy. Go back to the Backup and Restore tab and confirm the location of the backup. Then select Restore to begin the process. Your entire database will be rebuilt and all files restored, including all individual settings. After the jobs are restored, you can render each one to get the thumbnail views back. To render a job, right-click on it and select Render.